last today, but by no means least, is the Dia wig by Mane Concept. This has been such a popular wig. I thought to myself, I'm gonna grab one before she sells out again. And I have her in the color P1B30, and you'll be seeing the stock card on your screens. This is a special wig because it has a bang lace, and it is a brown sugar wig, which means it is both human hair and synthetic hair as a blend. And basically this bang lace means that the lace at the front, well, why should I explain it to you? I might as well just show you, right? Here she is, straight out the packet. The color I have is a P1B30, and it's a nice disheveled bob. It's a triangular shape, base of lace, feeds into the part, so it should create a very natural hairline. It has 3 combs as well, a little bit further set back and right to the edges. 1, 2, 3. Drawstring as well. And the very first thing we're going to do, as always, is to test for shedding. So let's do it. I've got about 5 strands there looking on the floor. I wouldn't really say that it's a wig that sheds, and I wouldn't expect it to shed or to tangle considerably because it is a short wig. This cap was made for my head. It's perfect. Definitely a medium large cap, and it feels like all the parts of the wig are in the right place. The ear tab's in the right place and they finish at the right place. They're not too far back. The nape is in the right place. Oh my god, I am in love. I am in heaven. I'm in heaven. La, 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 la. Oh yeah! I love this wig. Right, let's put this bang lace thing to the test. It's like they've given you a free fringe, so you can have it to the left. You can have it to the right. You can have as much of it to the left, as much of it to the right as you want. It's really versatile. It's really nice. The texture is fabulous. The length, the shape, oh yeah, oh, this wig is brilliant. Oh, I love it. I have tried on several wigs this evening, and this is by far my favourite. Watch them all back to back, and you tell me whether or not this is not the best one. Tell me, you watch them. Watch all 4 of them. And see. Okay, I'll give you a 360. Are you ready? 1. This is obviously the front. And the side. And the back. And the side again. There is nothing more to say about this wig other than buy it. Yes. I have waited far too long to get this wig. I should have got it sooner. And they've got some really nice colours in it as well. This is the P1B30. These are the colours in it. I love it. You will love it. And just as you admire the hair now, reach out on your phones, on your devices, click that mouse, and don't forget to press the like button. And don't forget, while you're at there, in the right area of the screen, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and then follow the link below, because I am definitely going to negotiate a discount for this wig for those people who viewed this video and loved it as much as me. Get this wig! It is fabulous! It's lovely! See you next time.